Hi, Katie here
and Shyla
from Simply Earth, and we love making our home natural, so we're here to share with you another way to do that. And this time, we're making our skin look beautiful.
So this is going to be step 6 in our all-natural skincare routine. So if you're just tuning in now, make sure you check out the other 5 steps.
So for this recipe, what you'll need is our clear skin roll-on, which comes in our August recipe box. You'll also need almond oil in a roll-on bottle, which comes in your big bonus box. So we're using our clear skin blend, which is a blend we make here at Simply Earth that's designed to fight acne and blemishes. It uses some really strong essential oils like tea tree that are really strong in antibacterial properties to get at those troublesome zits.
So for this recipe, you're going to want to use one of the roll-ons from your bonus box. You want to take this guy off, and you are going to use 8 drops of the clear skin blend.
You're using 8 drops, which is a stronger dilution than we normally recommend for the face, but we are doing a higher dilution to really attack those zits and blemishes, so be sure to only use those roll-ons on those affected areas.
Alright, so I have my 8 drops in the roll-on. Now I'm going to use the almond oil, and I'm going to fill the almond oil up to the neck of the bottle.
Perfect.
Alright, so now that it's full, I'm just going to want to shake this up a little bit. Make sure it's evenly dispersed, and twist your cap on, and voila! Now you have a clear skin roll-on for your zits on your face. I think it's starting to work, and I'm really excited because I have some zits right now, so
see you later, zits!
So if you like this recipe, check out the other 5 steps in our all-natural skincare routine, which is in the August box.
Yep, we give you all the recipes, and we also give you labels that you can put on your bottles. You always want to label what you make, otherwise you'll have a bunch of little bottles that you don't know what's in them.
And you're not sure what's in it, and then you don't know what to use it for.
Yep. So make sure you subscribe. You get really cool labels, recipe cards, plus what you need to make this recipe.
Go make your home more natural.